welcome to Brandon's Bargains. On today's video, I'm going to cover Family Dollar, and they have lots of clearance going on. They're going to be covered also. We have laundry soap in here. We have household cleaning supplies, food, beverages. We have a lot of goodies in here with some beauty supplies and some personal care. There's even signage and hair bows and things like that. There might be even some underwear and socks that are going eventually in the future. So I'll have to keep an eye on all these items. I'm just going to let the screens to speak for themselves. Don't forget to clip some coupons, because some of these have coupons and they could be amazing deals. For instance, we do have a Purex coming up. If you clip the coupon with it, it should be $5 for the Purex. And then if you buy, let's say, 3 of them or even 4 of them for $20, and you get $5 off, and you can get it for $15. So that's amazing. That's coming up in this video. So definitely just check it out. There's lots of coupons that could be added to these things. We have some kitchen items in here. Not a lot of kitchen items, just a little bit. But you have to keep your eye out, because usually what things that happen in other stores eventually happens to Dollar General, Walgreens, Walmart, your local grocery stores, all that. Definitely check it out, because I did notice also there was lots of Doves, and our Doves are going like crazy. There's coupons everywhere for Dove. Even at my local grocery store, you can get practically for $5 on your Dove soaps, and then get additional buy one, buy two, get one free. So there's some really good deals out there on coupon land on some of these products. There's lots of beauty supplies. I mean, some of these products speak for themselves, but I'm telling you, there's lots of good deals. And so you definitely don't want just to eliminate just down to one store like Dollar General. You need to shop at like several stores and definitely check it out, and just look at the area on these sections, because usually it's household items, beauty department, things like that. Tons of items. There's lots of goodies to be on the lookout for, but I'm just giving you tons and tons of examples of things to be on the hunt for. Just remember, it's not every product. It's a particular Dove product, a particular Trustmedic product, or there's even some medicine in here that's going on clearance. So I'm telling you, if it's happening in one store, it's happening in several. Some of these products are just discontinued, and they're just no longer going to be making them. And so that's why they're clearancing them out. So are you excited? Are you going to hit Family Dollar? Because there is some good gems in here, I'm telling you. And then also, you can do this on your app yourself, okay? Just download first the Family Dollar app, and then you can put a category. Let's say it's household. You say select all, then you click that, and you click it again, and it'll say deals at the usually the bottom of that thing, and you click that, and you click that again, and then it will say clearance deals. You click on clearance, and then there you go. It will come up, and you can see it in your area. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to play what I found in the stores. I'm telling you, 75% off toys that I saw. I also saw, like, you know, compared to us, we would call it gray dot at Dollar General. I saw robes on sale for like practically 40% off. So there's tons of deals going on. Now, at the Dollar General store, I was looking at the gloves. So the gloves and the mittens weren't going at this time, but definitely check it out. This is going to be amazing deals coming up at Family Dollar. So definitely want to stick around, watch this video. I'm going to just share with you some of these goods. There's tons and tons of clearance that are marking down. Some of it is obvious. I saw when I walked in the door, it was just a basket full of items. They were just throwing it all in a basket. Probably means they were just transferring it to the clearance section. So definitely be on the lookout for this, and don't exclude if this is happening at Family Dollar. This means it's happening in many places. All right, definitely check it out. So I'm just giving you tons and tons of visuals. Don't forget to look at the household products, and if you nothing else, you can look it at on your Family Dollar app and check it out and see if it's available in your stores. Pretty soon I will be showing you what I found in the stores, so definitely stay tuned for that. So I'm going to just be playing some music and letting you check out what's available, and there's some laundry soap coming up, and then I will show you what's in store, and I'll just let the music play while you see it. Also, just a friendly reminder that there'll be some visuals on the discounts. If you want to screenshot those, that can help you out. And that's all I have for you. I'll just let the music play. All right, summer shoes were only $1.97, so definitely check it out. See if there's anything available in your area. Take care. God bless. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.